Presenting the GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are preferred equipment Group 4SA, 3.42 rear axle ratio with max trailering package, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, not equipped with dynamic fuel management, wheels, 18x 8.56 spoke machined aluminum, 20x9 polished aluminum wheels, wheel locks, set of 4, LPO, and front 40/20/40 split bench seat. This vehicle shows low mileage and is a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.